Good morning, everybody. I'm Maggie Knight of the Knight Group at Coldwell Banker Coastal Alliance, and I am here with Christy Lee of Farmers Insurance, and we are doing our 19th episode of our Walk and Talk series, and we have yet to talk about homeowners insurance. So who else better to ask than Christy? She's helped me with a couple of clients. I know she's helped a lot of people in our office as well. So thank you, Christy, for being here with us.
Thank you for inviting me.
You're very welcome. So, Christy, why do we need homeowners insurance?
Well, other than the fact that your lender will require you to have a property hazard insurance at all times, it's probably one of your biggest investments worth protecting. And every homeowner should tailor their insurance policy to be reflective of their needs.
Smart,
because
yeah.
a cookie cutter policy is not going to properly insure them.
Yeah, makes sense. Makes sense. Okay, so if you could help us understand what is included in a standard homeowners policy.
Sure. There are 4 very important coverages,
Okay.
and they are dwelling,
Okay.
separate structures, personal property, and liability insurance.
Okay.
Your insurance agent will help you compute minimum coverages or standard coverages.
Okay.
However, every homeowner needs to understand. For example, if you have a large lot
Okay.
and you've got a beautiful deck in the back that most of your neighbors don't have, and you've got custom fences,
Okay.
let's say you've got detached garages, and let's say all of that burns down.
Oh, no.
Your standard coverage limit that's proportionate to your dwelling, well, you may not have enough coverage to restore all of that.
Yikes.
So you definitely need to look into your policy and really come up with your own policy.
Okay, that makes perfect sense. Are there any additional coverages in a homeowner's insurance?
Absolutely. There are coverages like personal injury.
Okay.
Sometimes it's not standard. You have to include that in your policy.
Okay.
And coverages like mold, equipment breakdown,
Yeah.
sewer and drain.
Okay.
All of those are additional coverages that you can absolutely include into your policy.
So you can tailor it to your property type.
Absolutely.
Okay. Now here's a question that I'm sure some people are thinking, what is not included in a standard coverage?
Oh, that is an excellent question because everyone assumes everything's covered.
Right.
I'll tell you what, insurance is very specific, and there's quite a bit of exclusions that you have to understand.
Okay.
In today's market, many of these policies will exclude certain dog breed liabilities.
Oh, wow.
So for example, pit bull dog bites, they're not included. So
Okay.
if you're an animal owner, you definitely need to look into your policy and make sure your dog breed's included.
Oh, wow, good point.
Additionally, what's really popular nowadays, Airbnb. Standard homeowners insurance is not going to cover you for any Airbnb related activities.
Wow.
And if you're operating small business out of your home, standard homeowners policy does not cover that. And additionally, earthquake and flood insurance coverages are not included.
Okay.
I think most people understand they're not included, but guess what? The minute we have a little jolt, maybe 2.5 earthquake, we
Right.
get so many calls asking us, earthquake is included in our policy, right? Not true.
No.
So you do have to purchase those on a separate basis.
Okay, such good information. You and I need to talk after this about my homeowner's insurance plan. Okay, and is there anything additional that we should know about a homeowner's insurance plan? I know there's a lot going on and there's a lot to know about it, but is there anything that we haven't covered, or anything else that we really should get?
Sure. Insurance premiums are much higher, noticeably higher than in the past, and that's due to various reasons. One of the ways you can reduce your insurance premium is perhaps get a higher deductible amount.
Okay.
And don't call your insurance company for every small claim. You really
Okay.
do want to use your policy in the event of a catastrophic devastation.
Good tip.
And be really self-insured up to your deductible amount.
Okay.
Because in today's deductible premium rates are very different if you get a higher deductible amount.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much, Christy. This information is so valuable. Thank you so much for meeting me and walking and talking with all of us. And everyone, we hope you have a happy new year, and we will talk to everyone soon. Thanks so
Happy New
much.
Year,
Bye-bye.
everyone.